Weighing 925 grams and constructed from robust 420D nylon fabric, the Moment Everything backpack's cushioned bottom ensures your belongings are well protected. The interior is thoughtfully designed with D-ring loopholes for secure attachment points. The main compartment, nestled between the front and rear sections, serves as the heart of the backpack. Featuring dual metal YKK zippers, this compartment offers seamless access to your belongings. The waterproof lining and bright Velux polyester fabric enhance its durability, making maintenance a breeze. A standout attribute of the Moment Everything backpack is its angled main compartment opening. This ingenious design facilitates effortless access to the very bottom, simplifying your packing and retrieval process. Within this compartment, practical elastic loops and a generously sized zippered fine mesh pocket, measuring 18 cm high by 24 cm wide, ensure optimal organization and storage. Moving to the front-facing compartment, a vertical zipper unveils ample space for your items. While not fully waterproof, the hidden coil teeth design adds an extra layer of protection. With dimensions of 40 cm high by 30 cm wide by 15 cm deep, this compartment is ideal for items like a cycling helmet. Inside, breathable fine mesh fabric crafts a small sleeve pocket and a generously sized zippered fine mesh pocket, even featuring an integrated fabric plastic keyring. However, note that this pocket lacks padding, making it more suitable for sturdier items. The rear compartment boasts a waterproof, angled opening PU zipper for easy laptop insertion and retrieval. The fully padded laptop sleeve accommodates laptops up to 16 inches, while additional pockets provide organized storage for various accessories. The backpack's hockey stick-style shoulder straps ensure maximum comfort. Closed-cell padding and adjustable plastic ladder locks offer a secure and personalized fit. Although the Moment Everything backpack only features a single side pocket, its expandable elastic band compensates by securely holding items. The stretchy fabric partial internal lining enhances its functionality. With a height of 20 centimeters, this pocket comfortably fits a water bottle, adding extra convenience. Comfort is just as essential as functionality in the Moment Everything backpack. The breathable fabric-covered back panel isn't just robust. It's thoughtfully designed with raised quadrant cross padding for superior air ventilation, ensuring comfort even during extended wear. Additionally, the pass-through trolley sleeve simplifies transport on wheeled luggage. In terms of dimensions, the Moment Everything backpack stands at 46 cm in height and 31 cm in width, expandable to 20 cm for additional space. A sturdy webbing grab handle tops it off, reinforced with durable stitching for longevity. Now, let's explore the innovative Moment camera insert, a compact solution with a 4-liter volume capacity, meticulously crafted to accommodate mirrorless camera lenses. This insert thrives on quick and effortless access. Its zippered top lid, equipped with dual metal YKK zippers, is easily activated through long fabric pull tabs. Remarkably, this design even permits a 360-degree unzip, ensuring smooth gear retrieval from any angle. Beneath the flap, a detachable padding layer transforms into concealed storage, revealing a clever hidden compartment. This space is thoughtfully designed to hold memory cards, business cards, credit cards, and more. The innovation continues with elasticated breathable sleeves integrated within the internal dividers, perfect for safeguarding credit cards and memory cards alike. These concealed elastic pockets, measuring 7.5 centimeters in width and 13.5 centimeters in height, provide secure storage solutions. Adaptability defines the Moment camera insert. Transitioning from a spacious singular compartment to 3 distinct sections is effortless, thanks to detachable Velcro padded dividers. These dividers not only provide structure but also incorporate elastic side pocket sleeves, ideal for discreetly storing your essentials. Tailored to cater to mirrorless cameras equipped with a 70-200 lens, this insert boasts both compatibility and innovation. Its water-resistant shell fabric, made from 350D recycled nylon CPH, offers protection against unexpected weather conditions. The tuckable zipper flap enhances quick access to your camera gear, and the Moment camera insert proudly bears the BlueSign eco-friendly certification, signifying its commitment to sustainable manufacturing. Precision matters when it comes to dimensions. The Moment camera insert's external measurements span 29 cm in length, 16 cm in height, and 11 cm in width. Internally, The insert occupies 25.5 centimeters in length, 14 centimeters in height, and 9.5 centimeters in width, providing a compact and organized solution for your camera gear. Impressively lightweight at only 282 grams, the camera insert adds minimal weight to your gear setup, ensuring portability without compromise.